Hello guys, my name is Bhaskar Misra. Welcome to Study Point. In this video, I will tell you that how you can find that what is your typing speed. Then you have to follow all the instruction that is given by me to you. Then you will know that what is your typing speed. Okay. Then first you have to click on Google. Okay, like this I have done. You have to click on Google. Yeah, here. Okay, and here you have to find typing test. Okay, like this, and here you have to select, and then 1 minute from here you will find that how many time you want to use, and then easy text, difficult text, tricky spelling, blind typing. Then I will is selected easy text. Okay, and then here we have to click start typing test. Okay, like this, and let's take the test. And then here you have to write giving cats 1 minute. Giving cats can tease is never a great idea. Especially since they can't even taste the sweetness. 1 minute. Yeah, they just 1 minute. I think that 1 minute is completed. And here is 20 speed and accuracy 100%, and typing speed is 20 WPM. Okay, means 103 charts in 1 minute. Thank you to see. Please share, subscribe, and comment on this video.